पुणे. Savi, say hi. Wedding में तो मिल ही रही है. Hi. Wait, what? Okay, so we'll give you a quick. This is the camera, but you see the preview. Oh, that's. So this is what it's recording right now. Anyway, so we are at Savi's place in Pune. Hello. Welcome to the town. Savi's cute corner where it has all our pictures. Oh yeah, we also have our picture there. Yeah, I saw. Sure. Okay. I'm in a better mood. Please. Kimchi, say hi. Please say hi. I fed Kimchi during Diwali, but she doesn't remember me. Oh, Kimchi, yaar, behave, yaar, please. We are out for breakfast, and this is the cute cappuccino taste. Savi is very excited about this. Yeah, look at this design. Look at the cup. I know, cute. Food. This is our breakfast spread. French toast, bacon, of course, and then avocado toast. Yay! Okay, Ruben, taste test.
Taste test, right? I haven't taken my
Like your drink. Yeah, Ruben is such a green flag. Fucking really does. Are you gonna like count the calories now?
No, it's low calorie drink. That's why I don't have milk.
Can you do it for fatafat? My video cannot go very long.
I need to mix it up, girl.
Like वो hops थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. Like I hate gin.
Delicious.
I love gin.
It's very good.
I love gin. I don't like gin. I don't like wine. Okay, now me. I like me.
Coconut notes you'll get in there.
हमने बहुत पिया है यार college में. और वो 60 रुपए का टेट्रा पैक ओल्ड मॉन्क. और वो
That is
fire
poison.
nice.
That's straight up
Even those
poison.
fireball shots.
Matcha cloud is my go-to.
Now one day should I just get matcha cloud or the matcha latte?
Get latte if you like milk.
Yeah, get latte. Don't be like.
I
New
know.
thing.
That's what I was-
booking. I thought you were.
I thought this guy is booking.
That's-
I thought you were booking Excel because we had our lehengas and also we would be
That
buying.
is still fine, but here going to some cafe is booked extra. Ruben कितना
No,
पूछ
that's
गया
what.
है?
That's what I was.
We are here at the. Where are we here? What? Did I need
Are we
this?
doing it right now?
I really need this. This is like a quick intro, no?
I forgot the name of it. Bob. Bada
We're at Badabob.
If you wanted to, why didn't you?
Day 2 of Ruben being dressed like his drink. It's just the opposite today.
Oh yeah, they do.
You guys are like pure comedy.
It's like this no South Indian film, but Nariyal Pani beer.
Me and Tavi.
I will take yours when you are like this.
How much? Ruben, how's it?
It's like a solid 8.
Sorry?
It has my best ingredients: coconut water and
Crack
But-
cocaine.
sharp.
No, but do it together. Do our taste test together. हाँ, let's
I
go.
want आगे वाला part. You take picture वाला part.
मैं पीछे वाला ही ले रही हूँ कब से.
You are more of an ass person. No, you're not an ass person.
No, but I am an ass person. Like if you ask me to choose between boobs and ass, I will take ass.
But fair on you. Really?
Okay, what's the conclusion here?
It's good. It's too good.
It's good.
I just don't like
It's not
carrots.
giving carrot.
Yeah. That's a good thing, right?
It's giving. Do you like carrot cake which give carrot? Yeah, like carrot cake should have the small carrot on the top saying it's carrot cake. You know that thing? Like make a small carrot on top.
They do?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not bad though.
In college.
No fucking way. I saw you every day. You were not fat.
I like it.
That's sweet as fuck.
It's not sweet as fuck.
I don't know what you guys. This is so sweet for me.
It is not.
What's the thing called?
So carrot.
Is it?
It's nice.
I think I like the cake
I
part.
would
I'm
give
not
this
such a fan of that.
7 on 10 again. again. Yeah, it's like something that if somebody else orders it, I'll eat it. I wouldn't order it.
I'll give my review. I'll give my review. Stay away from sugar if you want to live long. Okay, bye.
Stay away from Ruben if you want to live happily. Second drink of the day for Ruben.
Whenever
Okay,
I
by
go
the way,
to
you need
cafes
to.
to review them, I always have 2 drinks so that you know their
But
consistency.
shut the fuck up. First, you need to tell about how he had a caffeine cut-off time, but today he's ditching it just because for his own convenience.
6:15 and plus I love caffeine more than my sleep, so that's another compromise.
I'm going to sleep early tonight.
But how's the pour over?
It's really good. Fruity notes, very nice. Medium light roast is what I would call it.
This is slowly turning into like a Ruben reviewing cafes in Pune vlog.
The YouTube channel is going to be named to my name very soon.
Let's do take 2. Ruben, a ghost in our memories.
पापा मैं भाग के शादी कर लेती हूँ, आपके पैसे बच जाएंगे। क्या पता मुझे यहाँ कोई मिल गया हो। गुरुद्वारे में पल्लू लेके गई थी, पता है?
Yeah, no, I have a list.
बस एक लड़की की कमी थी, वही तो मैं भी वहीं शादी कर ली थी। निपटा देते साथ दोनों दोस्त साथ में।
How far it is for you. Hi, friend. Okay, back at it. Where are we, people? What's your name? Goda? Goda?
Is it Godam or Godam? Ruben checking out another coffee place.
Day 3, day 4. Day 4, Pune. Ice pour over, yummy. The fries look really good. I didn't order them, but I'm glad that I get to see them.
Ruben, can you give like a one-line description of what this is?
No, friend. That's private.
Okay
It's
then.
not ready for the world yet.
Okay.
Your fries look really.
I think I will post like a avocado toast party one day because all my friends are like, we make the best avocado toast. I'll post everybody, bring in the avocados and everybody make their style of avocados. Then we'll go. Sure. Okay, so we picked up Savi from her house. And we are and we're forcing her to work for the next 1 hour so that we can go catch Zootopia after this. It's in 4DX, so we're excited. And Savi has to work while we're having coffee. She's working.
Iska naam?
You're the only one.
Yes.
Also, just FYI, these are like my 2 favorite people in one frame, so I love it. I love it when all my close friends meet. So, yeah.
Hi, close friends.
Yeah, so this is close friend, this is close friend. So, I love it.
Yeah.
And we are at another cafe because Ruben was.
But this is not on my list, so this is an impromptu.
You found
cafe.
this place.
I did not.
No, I found it, but
Oh, acha.
convenient, impromptu, not a specialty place. So we will not do full reviews.
Okay. Guys, how's the movie?
Chug it.
We have popcorn. Guys, we don't need to go inside the movie seats too.
can't imagine how you're holding a cup.
Did they not think about this? That people are gonna spill their drinks?
How's the movie?
It's fun so far.
Awesome for me, attention to detail. A1.
Let's go. For Zootopia
So worth it.
in 4DX, so worth it.
I'm also paying attention because it's in 4DX. You're not distracted for any second.
Exactly. Now it's gonna be a challenge how we're gonna eat the popcorn, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see how it goes. Oh my god. Oh my god, no, wait. Hey. Okay, so we thought we will be entering like a proper crazy scene, but it hasn't started yet. So
We're the
just
first
sitting
people here.
outside.
We're quite literally the first people here, and we don't even know what the scene is here.
And they're honestly a little creepy right now.
And they asked us for tickets. I'm like, tickets for what, bro? What's happening here?
And we're hungry. Very, very
So
hungry.
we're gonna figure out what's gonna happen. But here's the vibe.
This says this table is reserved by Kushwa. Do you think the cat's name is Kushwa? यार मुझे छूने का मन है, बट फिर मुझे हाथ धोने पड़ेंगे. Hey. Finally, she's getting to properly pet one cat. Her lifelong dream is true. यार मैं किंची से ही मिलवाऊंगी. So we are literally the first people here, and because of that, I don't think because of that, but they gave us a free beer. I think it's just because we're dressed well and we're girls. And there is no scene right now, so we'll see how it goes. So cheers. Cheers. Savi, taste test. Do the taste test first. Is it just for the video or is it really nice?
No, it's really good. It's
what you will expect.
Okay, let me.
It's also very strong. Okay, it is strong. And it's a big glass.
I don't think we'll be needing that LID. Okay, so we both are very super lightweight, and the goal was we're gonna get drunk and have an LIT after this as well. We'll see. What do you see? We'll see. Let's
Okay, the place is finally picking it up. Savi is smiling and texting someone. One drink down. What's the next drink? I think we should do the beer and then the LIT. Or then the LIT and then the beer. Beer. So we tried setting up Savi with some guy, and this is his Insta.
Only he has like.
Don't show his name.
No, sorry. I got 40 things.
Well, guy who's worth this will be 40 for him.
Okay, guys, this is your reminder to take your shot. This is your reminder to take your shot, and we did. Exactly. We just randomly tried to set Savi up with some random guy who was just looking cute. He's very cute, but he doesn't live here. But who cares? Who cares? We went and talked to some random guy.
And he was not enjoying it as well.
Exactly. From him. And we were observing that group for like 5-10 minutes straight, and they seemed to be vibing max. But then when we went to talk to them, it was just dead for them as well.
That guy.
Or that guy at least. His bald friend was enjoying it.
Yeah, I should have talked to him maybe. Yeah.
So
But you know.
Now we're on way to meet Ruben because he's being an ass and he's not coming to meet us. So we're going to meet him.
There's Tanvi meeting Ruben.
Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Tanvi's YouTube channel.
Like and subscribe.
He's gonna be a prime feature in this vlog.
Comment and what's that thing where you pay money and then you can watch our videos? Yes, I don't know that.
Premium.
Yeah.
I don't think we're there for premium.
Do that.
I'm gonna like zoom in and zoom out.
Yeah. I need a closing for the video and everybody needs to come say and closing. Bye.
Engagement तो नहीं हुई है.
अरे मतलब but when I vlog
Ruben!
edited. Okay हाँ वैसे engagement वाले इसमें.
When we're like all nice and
Oh,
very
yeah.
nice
But
outfit.
everybody say bye.
My fantasy team is fucked.
Ruben, I think we should plan your wedding. So bye for the video. Ruben, say bye.
Bye.